Yeah.
This is quite special for you, Hagerbach, I guess. Long time history here.
Yeah, it's no more than 20 years since I first was here in 1991, in beginning 91, when I came to Switzerland, and I was exposed to this test facility, and I was thrilled because I saw the opportunity when you do innovation. Here you can do innovation in more or less in real condition, and that is very important when you want to introduce new technology, to be as close to reality. Normally you cannot do that on sites because you have a risk. You are not sure that the technology will always work in the first time. Here you can fail without any risk, but if it's work, you have also access to accredited laboratories. You can get the reports directly, and I think this is a fantastic place where we should really, the industry should take use of, because it's very few places that you can have this opportunity.
And I think Normet is now a part of a group, a new network group that you dreamt up with a few of your colleagues, that have come up with other incredible things during your time. But this Subspace Energy Hub, can you tell me a little bit about perhaps that and Hagerbach?
Yeah, the idea came up because it talks a lot about sustainability. It's talking about energy, CO2 footprint savings, and so on. And it's not done enough in my view. And I think the idea was to find a showcase in reality where we collect the drivers in the industry, because it's no company alone that can do it. It's a chain of companies and technology that has to be worked together. And the idea was to bring that in a real case, take it away from a desktop study, but to real case showcase. And Hagerbach has this opportunity, and also to develop this Hagerbach as a zero energy and sustainable site.
Yeah, I understand, and I'm of course part of that group, and I think the good thing is the whole idea, it's the whole chain of production of energy, storage underground, and then using that for society, but also on top of that, looking at the use of electric vehicles in underground activities. So I think for us that would be very good, Tom, and I think that's the next step here with Hagerbach, isn't it, to really see how we push that forward in the next few years.
Yeah, it's clear if you want to be truthful or be really seen as serious, we have to make this site here 100% sustainable and 100%
a model.
Yeah. And showing that it's possible without, and it is important to understand that this is not about spending a lot of money, but it's also in the end saving money for the long term on this operation, saving in heating, saving in ventilations, and give it benefit, not only in terms that we save CO2, but also giving economical benefit in the long term. And I think that is important, that we have to understand this drive is also not only a cost, but it's an economical benefit in the long term.
Yeah, sure.